let's talk about the single guys, right? We had enough of the single women, right? We don't need the single women anymore. Let's talk about single guys. Yeah. X equals -5. Now, this is a single guy. Now, a single guy doesn't need a woman to control him, right? Doesn't need a woman telling him what to do. Isn't that right? Do you agree? I can see it in your face like, yeah. See, I was a single guy for a long time. Yeah. So here's the thing with single guys. X is always going to be -5, and it says X is -5. It doesn't matter what the Y is. It doesn't matter how she tries to train him. You know, if she comes along and she says, you know, could you please put the toilet seat down? He's not going to change. He's still -5, right? You know, if she comes along and says, you know, babe, could you, like, stop playing World of Warcraft for just a... No, babe. I'm about to reach level 191 warlock status. I don't need. I'm okay. If you walk away, that's okay because I've got all my virtual friends. Okay. So let's see what this graph looks like, right? We don't need right, guys. We don't need a woman telling us what to do. We don't need a woman to train us like we're some kind of puppy or monkey. And so if you're laughing because you know what it is to train a guy. And then you lose him to somebody else and you go, I can't believe I just spent the last 2 years of my life training this guy for somebody else. Well, honey, I guess you should have put a ring on it. So -5, 0, -5, 4, -5, -7. Do y'all agree? So what kind of line is this?
Vertical.
Thank you. Step sinks. Right. So we get a vertical line. Do y'all agree with that? Now notice what we have here is that this guy doesn't go to the left or to the right. He goes straight up and down, right? What is the x coordinate for every point on this guy?
-5.
-5. If it wasn't vertical, then the x value would not be -5. So it would be something else. Okay. Well, what if I have this? If I say 3x equals 12?
Divided by 3.
So divide by 3, get the x by itself, and you find that x equals what? X
equals 4.
12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay, so that means I'm going to have what kind of line? Vertical line going through what? Vertical line going through 4. Are you okay?
Mm-hmm. Are you okay?
As long as I can answer that question, you guys know. So don't answer if I. Okay. All right. X equals 4. Do y'all agree with that? Now I want to find out what is my slope. We keep talking about slope yet again. So what is the rise over run here? Well, let's just pick a couple of points. So I've got this point, and let's say this point. What's my rise?
4. Oh, 1, 2, 5.
My rise is 5. What's my run?
0.
What's 5 divided by 0?
5.
This guy's actually undefined, right? He has an undefined slope. We can't say he's increasing or decreasing, and he's definitely not flat, so he has an undefined slope. Now this may help you out when you're talking about slope, because look what you can do. Like you were going to spell the word undefined? Is that pretty good?
Oh, wow.
See, it's like you can make a big U out of that, right?
Can we write it like that? Like
No, you draw the line the way it's supposed to be drawn.
Minus the pigtail.
Minus the